So this is your first look at the OnePlus 13T from the front, and the president of OnePlus China has also provided some vital information regarding the device, which is remarkable. Mr. Louis Lee, head of OnePlus China, has confirmed that the OnePlus 13T will not feature the iconic alert slider on its side, instead opting for a customizable button. This comes as no surprise given that OnePlus co-founder Peter Luo stated a month ago that the iconic alert slider will be replaced by a customizable smart button. Think of it like Apple's action button on the newer iPhones. It will let you customize shortcuts and do more with a single press, making it feel more intuitive and personal. Now let's talk about the front design, because that's also been a topic of interest. According to Mr. Lee, a lot of people have been curious about the front R angle of the OnePlus 13T. Now, if you are wondering what that means, it likely refers to the rounded edges or curve on the right side of the phone's display, especially how it looks and feels when you view from the side. During the early stage of development, OnePlus spoke with users who prefer smaller screens, and many of them mentioned liking how Apple designed this angle, particularly on the iPhone 16 Pro. So OnePlus used that as a reference. The result, the OnePlus 13T not only has a super slim bezels but also very comfortable and visually pleasing curve on the front edges. It is subtle, but it adds to the overall feel of the phone, and it won't feel awkward or sharp when you are using it. And now for the battery, this is where things get exciting. Mr. Lee revealed that OnePlus 13T will pack a massive 6200 mAh battery. While that exact numbers isn't 100% confirmed yet, but he did say we can definitely expect something over 6000 mAh. But here is the cool part, it's not just any regular battery. OnePlus is using a Glacier battery, which is designed to be more efficient and long lasting. Even with such a large battery, the phone will only weigh around 185 grams, which is honestly impressive. Usually phones with batteries this big feel bulky, but it looks like OnePlus has figured out how to keep things light and sleek. Moving on, the OnePlus 13T has reportedly achieved an impressive score of over 3 million points on AnTuTu benchmark test, which is higher than the flagship OnePlus 13. For those, the AnTuTu is a popular tool that evaluates how well a smartphone performs by assessing aspects like its processing speed, graphics capabilities, and memory performance. Scoring over 3 million points is a significant achievement, indicating that OnePlus 13T is said to be a powerhouse device. The OnePlus 13T is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is one of the latest and most robust processor available, enabling the phone to handle demanding tasks smoothly. It is anticipated to offer up to 24 gigs of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, similar to the OnePlus 13. This means more space for your apps, photos and videos, and the ability to run multiple applications simultaneously without a hitch. So overall, the OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be a really interesting device, blending thoughtful design, smarter features, and serious battery power. Can't wait to see how it performs in the real world. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus 13T? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.